Hello everyone, welcome. Let us start our today's sequence. Right palm on the navel, left palm on the knee. Kapalbhati. Take a normal breath and breathe out. For Kapalbhati, out. Breathe in, out. In, out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. Continue. And relax, eyes closed. Take a deep breath and let go. Let's get ready for second round. Take a normal breath. Breathe out. Kapalbhati out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Continue. And relax. Take a normal breath and breathe out. Now let's get ready for neck rotations. Breathe in, look up, and slowly breathe out, look down. Back should be straight. Breathe in, slowly look up. And as you exhale, slowly look down. Once again, breathe in, look up. Feel the stretch in the neck. Exhale and slowly look down. And as you breathe in, rotate the neck from the right side slowly. Exhale down from left. Use your breath. Breathe in, up from right. Exhale down from left. Last time, breathe in from right. Exhale down from left. And reverse, breathe in from left. And slowly breathe out down from right. Continue. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out from the left side. Breathe in, look forward. Exhale, look to the right side. Breathe in, look forward. Exhale, look to the left side. Inhale, forward. Exhale, to the right. Inhale, forward. Exhale, to your left. Breathe in, look forward, and drop your neck as you exhale. Do not lift your shoulder, relax it down. Breathe in, straighten the neck. Exhale, bend the neck to the left now. Breathe in, exhale on the right again. Inhale, exhale on the left. Relax there. Inhale and come up. Now let us rotate our shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, up. Exhale, down. Forward and up. Down from back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And reverse. Inhale from back, down from forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, use your breath. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And relax. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. And now Bend to your right side, forearm touching the mat. Left side. Inhale, exhale to the right. Inhale, exhale to your left. Do not bend forward. Inhale, exhale. Only to your sides. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is very good for the sides, the waist. And slowly, after this round, relax. Now open your arms to the side, stretch your arms, pull the fingers, push your palms, fingers wide open. And now rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. And reverse. Very good. Elbows are straight, back straight, gentle smile. Continue. And relax. Breathe in and let go. Now bend your arms, join your elbows and open. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale and inhale. Rotate your arms now. Exhale. Breathe in, up. Exhale, down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And reverse from back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And open your elbows to the sides, open your arms to the sides and relax your arms. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now raise the right arm and place it at the back. Your left arm, stretch it up. Exhale, place it on your right knee and twist to the right, look to the right. Breathe there. And as you inhale, stretch your left arm up, put it back. And now right arm. And as you exhale, put it on the left knee and twist to the left and breathe. Sit straight. Very good for the spine. Breathe in and raise the right arm. And as you exhale, relax it down. And now you may stretch the legs out, back straight, put the palms on the thighs and pull and push your ankles in, out. Toes ko आगे और पीछे. Continue. Very good. And rotate now your ankles. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And reverse. And relax, breathe in and breathe out. And relax. Now bend your legs and shake. Shake your calves, your thighs, quadriceps. Relax. Now join the legs and drop the knees together to the left. Look to your right side. Breathe in, bring it up. Exhale, drop the knees together to your right. Look to your left side. Breathe. And slowly breathe in, come up and relax. Now let's come in our favorite, butterfly, Baddha Konasana. Bring the legs close to the pelvis and start flapping the legs up and down as much as you can do. जितना कर सकते हैं उतना करेंगे. With a smile, continue flapping the legs. Back straight. This is very good for immunity. Continue. And relax. Now stretch your arms forward and try to go down. Stretch down, stretch down. Hold there, breathe. And slowly breathe in, come up and relax. And let us now lie down on our stomach. Let's get ready for Cobra pose. Fingers wide open in line with the shoulders. Feet together, elbows close to the body. Chin touching the mat. Breathe in. Lift the chin up, your chest, your diaphragm and the navel just touching the mat. Shoulders away from ears and you look up. Start breathing. And slowly come down, relax. Let us repeat this once again. Breathe in, lift your chin up, your chest up, and the navel just touching the mat. Breathe in the asana. Let your arms bend. And slowly breathing out, come down and relax. And let us lie down on our spine. Peeth ke bal aa jaye. And bend the legs. And hold the legs, interlace the fingers. Pull the legs towards the chest, towards the stomach. As you exhale, lift your head up. Deep breathing. If you have neck pain, you may avoid lifting your head up. And as you breathe in, slowly go back. Exhale, relax your legs down. And slowly open your arms to the sides. Join the legs and drop the knees together on the right side. You look to the left. Nataraj Asana variation. Deep breathing. And as you inhale, bring the legs straight. Exhale, drop the knees together on the left side. You look to the right side. Start breathing. And slowly breathe in, come up. And relax your arms, relax the legs. And slowly turning to your right, sit up. Let us practice Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Place first two fingers, middle of your eyebrows. Breathe in from both your nostrils. And exhale from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left and continue. And relax after breathing out from the left. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Your mind is relaxed. Your body is relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And slowly you may open your eyes.